Run out of. Run out of means to use something completely until there is none left. When you run out of something, it means the supply has hit zero, and now you need more. We use this all the time in everyday American English for food, time, money, energy, patience, and so much more. It is one of the most useful phrasal verbs in daily conversations. Some examples could be, let's say you're making coffee in the morning and you always drink your coffee with milk. You could say, we ran out of milk, so I can't make coffee. Or maybe you're at school and you're taking an exam and you were not able to finish the exam. And later on you're telling a friend, I ran out of time on the exam. You couldn't finish it. Let's imagine now that the battery on your phone is almost at zero. You could say, my phone is running out of battery. I need a charger. Or maybe you want to buy tickets for a concert. You go to buy them, but there are none left. You could tell your friends they ran out of tickets for the show. Or maybe you go to the doctor's office and you're waiting in the doctor's office to be seen by the doctor for over an hour. You could say, I ran out of patience. Let's say you're in a meeting and you're trying to come up with ideas to solve a problem. You could say, we're running out of ideas. Run out of captures that moment of sudden shortage. It's great for expressing frustration, surprise, or urgency. Oh no, we ran out of bread. Or, I'm running out of time. We ran out of gas on the highway. This phrasal verb works with almost anything. You can run out of eggs or food. You can run out of time. You can run out of energy and be exhausted. You can run out of money and be broke. You can run out of room when you have no more space. You can run out of ideas and run out of patience. Now repeat after me. Run out of. Run out of. Run out of. We ran out of milk. I'm running out of time. Don't run out of battery.